Best Car Insurance Comparison Tools app. The pros, the cons. The Best Car Insurance Comparison Tools app is designed to help drivers find the right coverage quickly, but most people assume comparing policies is tedious and confusing. The surprising truth is that this app makes evaluating multiple insurers fast, transparent, and stress-free. One major pro is efficiency. Users can instantly compare premiums, deductibles, coverage limits, and customer reviews across multiple providers. For example, someone shopping for full coverage can see side-by-side comparisons for price and benefits in minutes, instead of hours of research. Another advantage is informed decision-making. The app highlights key features like roadside assistance, rental car coverage, and accident forgiveness, helping users choose policies that match their needs and lifestyle. This ensures better value and protection in the long run. However, there are cons. While the app provides comparisons, it may not capture every nuance of policy terms or special discounts. Users should review the fine print and confirm coverage directly with the insurer before finalizing. In conclusion, the Best Car Insurance Comparison Tools app is an excellent resource for drivers seeking clarity, convenience, and confidence in selecting coverage. It simplifies comparisons, saves time, and ensures users make informed choices while reminding them to verify details before committing.